Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good night. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page 21, Vocabulary Lesson 3. Using our words. Read the definitions to complete the crossword puzzle. Use the words from the word bank if you need them. Word bank. I have crown, seal, bee, crown, sound, out, cow, sheep, feet, and team. Across. An insect that makes honey. Number 2. You might see one at the circus. Number 3. If you are not in, you are. Number 4. It is something you hear. Number 5. We have 2 hands and 2, down. Number 6. An animal that can clap. An animal that gives us milk. Moo. Kings and queens were a. Number 9. An animal that gives us goo. In number 10, a group of people forms a. Okay, I know that you are going to do a great job, but if you need help or you need assistance, please let me know by email or by platform. And remember, your attitude determines your direction. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.